What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mo, and I am back with another video. I want to say thank you for the likes, the shares, and subscribes you guys have given my channel. We greatly appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, well, my name is Monique Hines. Now I'm the owner of Food Vibes Way, where we teach cooking classes for all ages and all abilities. On today's episode of This Is What We Cooking, we have a special guest who happens to be my best friend, Koya.
Hey y'all.
She said, hey y'all. Today, Koya, what are we cooking today? So what are you cooking?
Today we are cooking egg rolls. We're gonna have shrimp egg rolls and cheeseburger egg rolls.
Shrimp egg rolls and cheeseburger egg rolls. Don't that sound good, y'all? Because I'm hungry. It is whatever time it is, and
It's time to eat.
ate breakfast, lunch, whatever. All right, so first things first.
First, we're gonna start chopping the onions for the cheeseburger egg rolls. I already prepped it a little bit, y'all.
Y'all see that?
Nice little chops. I like to chop mine this way. And then I dice them up so they're not big when you eat them.
Little, because you're going in the egg roll. I mean, who want to be?
I want a piece of onion biting out like that.
I don't know if y'all like onions like that.
I mean, I like them, but
not like that. No egg roll.
not like that, no egg roll.
I mean, the meat gonna be hanging out.
All right.
So, Koya.
Yes. Yes.
I'm trying to think how I'm going to phrase the question.
Okay.
I got,
I ain't got no patience.
3 questions in one that popped in my head. What's your favorite dish to cook? Is one.
Ooh. See, that's the thing. I don't know. I guess anything like Asian or like Mexican type, I love to make. Like, hibachi is my favorite. I also like to make shrimp fried rice.
Okay.
That's also my favorite. Clearly egg rolls as well. But yeah, Asian or Mexican, like those are my favorite types of cuisine.
All right. Asian, Mexican, shrimp fried rice, hibachi. I just made hibachi like 2 nights ago, so if y'all seen that content, make sure you share it. It was delicious.
That's what she said, y'all say. I'm just playing.
This is why we gonna have problems. Yeah. I was just on live telling these people that this video is gonna be one for the books. I should boot her off the counter right now, but I ain't gonna do that.
Nah, I got a knife in my hand.
in the hand, and we don't want no problems.
We don't want no injuries in the kitchen.
Working with people. Anyways,
First of all,
question number 2.
All right.
Why do you think is it essential for people to know how to cook?
Life skills. Like, it's just a life skill that everybody should have. Like, you can't always depend on a restaurant or whatever to cook for you. And the way prices is, it's cheaper to cook at home anyway.
And people, they always say, oh, it's not really cheaper. But yes, it is. Because when you buying food from a grocery store, you cooking food, you get more than one serving out of it.
Yeah.
You buy a $12 meal. I mean, are you going to eat it? Say you get Chick-fil-A, that's one meal just for you. So if you got kids or whatever, you can get a whole meal for
$12 and you can have leftovers.
I'm about to say 25, but
you know,
what you gonna give?
You know. I just said 12 because you said 12.
Right, yeah.
So now what I'm doing is taking my ground beef and I am putting it in the pan. I like to break mine down before putting it in the pan because it make it easier, like, separate it better.
Yes, because you get in big clumps and they just
I can't stand
clunking and clunking.
What is clunking?
I don't know. It's just be up there.
Tell me what a clunk is.
Just be clunking. It be a whole bunch of cluster.
A cluster of meat.
Don't let you break it too small. It turn into mush.
Oh, I hate that too. You
Yeah.
just gotta spread it around with your fingers a little bit. Just don't make sure there ain't no chunks in there. But don't break it like you're making dog food.
Hey now.
I mean, I know you make your dog food.
I'm just saying.
But we not them. We us. See?
All right, y'all. Look at that. Oh, we added onions too. It's coming along pretty good. All right. Got some scrimps. As y'all be saying, shrimp going in the pan.
I'm about to get my seasoning.
Gonna season them bad boys up. And once again, we're making some egg rolls, y'all. Doesn't it look good? If you like egg rolls, drop in a comment what kind of egg rolls do you like? Do you prefer? Got some orange pepper.
Alright, so now I'm gonna make the cheeseburger part of cheeseburger egg rolls.
Cheeseburger egg rolls. Gotta have that cheese.
Got to make it extra cheesy so when you pull it, it's just ooey gooey.
I hope y'all can hear her.
I got my mic on, I can't hear me.
Oh, I was supposed to ask you another question. I forgot. At what age did you start cooking or remember?
The earliest memories of cooking, I was like little, like maybe like between 6 and 8.
6 and 8. Y'all hear that? 6 and 8. Between 6 and 8. Are your kids cooking that are in that age range? If not, check out Food Vibes, www.foodvibesway.com. We do in-person and online classes to get your kids cooking.
That's right.
All right, now we're cheeseburgering right here, and we shrimping it on up over here.
Shrimp.
Y'all ready for the masterpiece?
Masterpiece, the shrimp. Alright, let me grab it.
All right, y'all. Now we're adding some delicious cabbage.
See, I'm particular. I cheat because I ain't gonna cut off all that cabbage small. So I buy a little coleslaw mix.
Mm-hmm.
And then the bigger pieces of cabbage, I'll try to take those out because they don't always be coleslaw like. But I'm gonna saute with the shrimp inside this time because it's just easier. Oh, see, look, they put the little core in there. I don't like
Right. And y'all, this is an affordable meal for those that are looking for something quick, easy, fun, effective, cheaper than going to the Chinese or the Japanese or wherever you choose to get your egg rolls from. And with egg rolls, you can make all kinds of egg rolls. It doesn't have to be your traditional egg roll. You can do cheeseburger, you can do nachos, you can do veggie egg burger, you can do pretty much anything in your egg roll. Even people put sweets in there, like
dessert egg rolls.
what's that one? Strawberry shortcake one, cheesecake, whatever.
Peach cobbler.
All kinds of stuff. Endless possibilities,
Definitely.
y'all. So go ahead and make y'all the egg roll. Make two, because I need one too. All right, now, y'all. We are back for the final step. Well, not the final step.
One of the final steps.
I'm jumping ahead. But anyways, I'm going to roll these egg rolls up.
Let me help you. There you go, Suge.
Anyways. All right.
So we rolling up. You gonna do that one? I'm gonna do this one, right?
Okay. Oh, well, how you do yours? Wait, we about to do ours differently.
I do it basically like the instructions tell you to do.
Oh,
I never seen the instructions, but I do roll it that
because
way.
I've done, watch this. Oh, that ain't enough water.
Oh yeah, see, I don't wet all mine like that.
It sticks better. Because
I guess
when haven't done it,
they fall apart.
yes, and the oil be on the inside.
Little greasy egg roll.
So, I'm not sure though, because I don't know.
You right.
I need to be able to see. Now, I might go back over because sometimes it be drying up now.
You do.
So, I'm gonna put it right here. Y'all, I don't even know if y'all can see or not, but
And that's how I roll mine.
oh, I missed how you did that, but so what we're gonna do
Oh, you
is
do yours that way.
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Having technical difficulties?
A little bit.
All right now, y'all. This is what we working with. There you go.
Egg roll.
How long is yours?
Cause you roll yours differently than mine. I roll mine a short way. You roll yours a long way. I hate that the wrappers be all.
Does it matter what side? Well, I always do it this way.
I do too. I put the flour side down for some reason.
I don't know which. Does it matter? Does anybody know the answer?
Yeah, like I never thought about that. Do it matter?
Because I just put, I don't know if it make a difference or not, but
I would think that the flour side go on the outside, because why would you want your
yeah.
food on the inside to taste like the flour?
So yeah, we going I don't know what I was getting ready to do. I forgot.
I don't know what you was about to
I had
do
a
either.
whole brain fart just then. Gotta get you good old shrimp up in here, y'all. Good old shrimp. And one thing for sure, two things for certain. Don't overpower it.
Please, because it will pop open.
And I have done it.
Several times.
And then your food just be floating in the
In no grease. Food just sitting there.
Man, you're like, golly.
With the cheeseburger one, it is a little hearty, but it still roll up like it needs to. And sometimes I even double wrap mine.
Yeah, I've had to do that before. So you roll on in there, y'all. Do 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 do. I done went back to Burger King.
You did.
I'm loving it.
That's McDonald's.
Oh dang.
You don't even know your fast food
Well, I
restaurant.
don't eat. I hardly ever eat neither one of those. No offense to y'all. I'm just saying. So
I'm
y'all,
about to make a whole bunch of egg rolls.
we gonna roll this up
Roll it up.
and we gonna come back
and fry them up
when it's done.
golden brown.
So stay there. Don't go nowhere. Check us out rolling these egg rolls. It's been a pleasure having Koya on the show with me today. If you want to see her back, make sure you like, share, and comment that you want Koya to come back. Y'all, look at that. Oh, looking so good, so good. We did our thing rolling those egg rolls now. 2, 1. And we're back with these delicious egg rolls, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed watching us make these egg rolls. It's been a pleasure having Koya on the channel. If you'd like to see her back, make sure you subscribe. Put it in the comments. Say, we need Koya back. Or, we want Koya back. Or, I don't know, whatever you choose to put. All right. So now we're gonna try.
This one each. I guess we can split it.
All right. Oh.
Get a knife. Never mind. We can just. We can break it. We can
We're
break
gonna
it.
try the egg roll.
Oh, it's hot. We got to. We got to.
All right,
we got to commit.
Look what you did. All right.
Oh, look at you.
That's gracious. All right, going
This is
in. Shrimp egg roll, y'all. That's good.
It is. Or maybe I'm just hungry one. Maybe a combination of
Both.
the two.
But it's good. It's juicy, flavorful. You know, good tight.
Crunchy.
Well, make a mess.
Hot too.
Look what you did.
Me. Or you.
Okay, so now we're gonna try the cheeseburger one.
Hopefully this one ain't as hot as the other one trying to break it. It is a little warm.
Oh, you got the biggest side. Good.
Cheeseburger.
I'm trying to say the same.
Hot.
I wish you stop copying me.
You checking that lightning?
Yeah, that's what you was doing.
I didn't even realize.
Okay, I'm gonna joke. Cheeseburger is good.
I wish I would have had a little Worcestershire.
Oh yeah, now that right there.
That would have
The
brought it
W
out.
sauce. Y'all know what the W sauce is. But
You alright?
yeah.
Yeah, the W sauce will sit off, but it ain't bad though. A little ketchup? No? Or like, you know how make like the special sauce, like with mayonnaise and ketchup and like that?
In the store.
Yeah.
Not a big ketchup fan, but if y'all like ketchup, you can dip it in ketchup, mustard, however you choose.
Or
Do it.
Or you can make that sauce, the special, the mac sauce. That'd be good too.
All right now, y'all. There you have it. This is what we cooking. Egg roll edition with Koya. As you guys know, this is the Food Vibes Way channel. If you don't know, but now you know, you better go ahead and subscribe, y'all.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Are you with me? I don't know what I'm doing right now. Anyways,
And we out.
that being said, y'all have a blessed day.